John Rapolo now continues our team coverage.
Yeah, he joins us live in Albuquerque. Hi, John.
Yeah, hi. You know, as Byron has been telling us, the winds are going to pick up towards the morning here in the metro. But in Ruidoso, they are planning for some possible power outages. Last month in Ruidoso, thousands without power for days. Heavy snow causing trees to come down on power lines. The same could happen Tuesday, not with snow, but with the high winds that are expected to hit the area. Last March, high winds blew a roof off this building in Ruidoso. Residents like Leroy Smith know all too well the damage high winds can cause.
If it's really crazy, we'll stay indoors because there are some trees that could come down and affect power lines or roofing.
The village of Ruidoso posting warnings on their social media Monday about the dangers of high winds. With a dramatic change of the weather pattern on the way, PNM says they are ready if trees come down on power lines, knocking out power.
It's not anything new. You know, here in New Mexico, we're used to it. Come February, late February, early March, the winds start up.
The village of Ruidoso also posting fire warnings. The combination of strong winds and low humidity creates extreme fire dangers. Leroy Smith is more worried about possible power outages. Last month, he was without power for 3 days.
I don't feel like the fire danger is super high because we have had some moisture lately.
All right, here's what you need to know if you have an emergency or a power outage. PNM is telling us to tell you to call that number there on your screen, 888-342-5766. We're live in Albuquerque. John Rapolo, KOAT, Action 7 News.